Hey guys, welcome back. You guys are watching the Ellen Fam, and in today's video, I'm going to be feeding my doggies. That is Gracie. She's 5 years old. She was born on May 5th. I don't know what year though. It's hard to remember. Let me get some light in here. There we go. And that is Wrigley. He's 13. Hi. Okay, that's Wrigley's cage, and this is Gracie's cage. So, Wrigley, come on. Okay. There it is. Here we go. We give Wrigley about one full scoop. About that much. Full scoop. And put it in there. Close to be that enough. And then we get a wet food packet. He eats one full wet food packet. So, where do I set those? Okay. I'm actually going to set it in the dog food. Okay. And now we have one full wet food packet, and we put it all in there. Just put it all in there. And then if it's gravy, I'll just kind of blend it in there, but if it's like non-gravy, I won't. Just like that. Okay, this is our final product. Yeah, you're trying to get it. Okay. Oh, there you go. Now, we have to lock Gracie up in her cage because she tends to try and get Wrigley's food. Now, with her, she's a little bit on the heavier side, so we tend to give her a half of a cup. Like about that much. And the best one ever, I'll give you 2. And now we give her 1 of that. This time I'm gonna put you guys. Set you guys in the dog food again. So now you just give her a half because she doesn't need a full one. And then we just kind of mix it. And this is Gracie's final product. So the brand of food that we use to feed our dogs is Benpol or Prune. That's the one that we use to feed our dogs. They really like it. I highly recommend it. It's adult, but you can buy puppy version too. And we buy the wet food. You can also buy a puppy version of that, of wet food as well. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Can you say bye, Wrigley? Bye, Wrigley. Bye. Okay, now this is all that Wrigley ate. He usually doesn't eat too much, but I'm okay. I'm going to see she's licking the bowl. Silly girl. Gracie! Gracie! Let me turn the side off the cup a little. I'm too scared. Gracie! 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 Focus, please. Okay. Gracie. She's not drinking. I hope you guys give this. I hope you guys like. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any single one of my videos. Bye. Say bye, Gracie.